Stop scrolling for a moment and imagine this. What if a single question asked every night before sleep could silently rewrite your reality while you rest? What if tomorrow life began bending in your favor without you lifting a finger? Tonight, you will learn how. The power of the last thought you hold before sleep is more extraordinary than most people realize because your subconscious does not distinguish between reality and imagination. It simply receives impressions and begins working to turn them into your lived experience. As your body grows heavy and your mind begins to slow, the final question you ask acts like a seed planted deep in fertile soil, one that begins to germinate the moment it touches your awareness. Your subconscious, the silent operator behind your habits, decisions, and experiences, immediately begins to seek patterns, solutions, and pathways that align with the energy of that question. It does not matter if you consciously believe in the answer or if it seems impossible at first. Your subconscious accepts it as a directive, a command to shape circumstances and perceptions so that the outcome you desire begins to unfold. Each thought you entertain before sleep carries emotion, and emotion is the amplifier of your mind's creative power. When you ask a question with curiosity, excitement, or certainty, the mind interprets that energy as intention, and intention is the blueprint your subconscious uses to organize reality while you rest. As you drift deeper into the threshold between waking and sleeping, your conscious mind fades, but the part of you that creates your reality remains active, reviewing every memory, every interaction, every detail of your day through the lens of your question, scanning for opportunities, signals, and alignments that serve the answer. This is why the last thought before sleep holds such transformative potential, because it is not a fleeting idea or a passing worry. It is a direct line of communication with the part of you that governs results, that orchestrates circumstances, and that bends reality to match your inner focus. The questions you ask become commands that ripple through your subconscious mind, setting in motion invisible chains of events, nudging you toward clarity and planting the seeds of manifestation that will begin to appear in small ways, then larger ways, as your mind works silently and persistently, gathering everything it needs to answer the question with precision and alignment. And the more you ask with clarity, belief, and emotion, the stronger the guidance becomes, allowing reality to gradually transform in ways you may not yet fully understand or see. Entering the alpha state before sleep is like stepping through a hidden doorway into a world where your mind becomes fluid, responsive, and deeply receptive to the questions and intentions you set. And this is the space where true creation begins, because the alpha state is neither fully awake nor fully asleep. It is a bridge where your conscious mind rests while your subconscious becomes fully alert, ready to receive, process, and manifest the seeds of your thoughts into reality. And as you learn to slow your breathing, relax your muscles, and quiet the chatter of your conscious mind, you naturally descend into this state where time seems to stretch and your awareness expands, allowing you to see beyond the limits of ordinary perception. And in this state, your mind does not merely react to the outer world. It scans for opportunities, solutions, and alignments that serve the questions you have planted. It reorganizes information from your experiences. It removes obstacles that exist only in your perception, and it begins to create a path that aligns with your highest intentions. And the beauty of this process is that it occurs effortlessly, without force, without struggle, and without conscious control, because the subconscious mind understands the language of images, feelings, and certainty far more than it understands words alone. And when you combine your question with visualization, emotion, and belief, you create a powerful directive that your subconscious cannot ignore. And while you drift into deeper stages of sleep, the alpha state serves as the control center where the blueprint of your desires begins to take shape, quietly influencing the thoughts, choices, and actions you take. When you awaken, shaping coincidences, synchronicities, and opportunities that align with the question you asked. And this is why learning to consciously enter the alpha state before sleep is not just a technique. It is a transformative practice that turns ordinary rest into a laboratory for manifestation, a sacred space where your mind can process, create, and bend reality in your favor. And the more consistently you enter this state, asking your question with clarity, visualization, and unwavering belief, the more your subconscious aligns with the vibration of your desire, the more it scans the world for resources, solutions, and connections that serve the outcome you seek, and the more life itself seems to respond to the directive you have planted deep within your mind, allowing your dreams to emerge effortlessly, naturally, and with precision. Focused intention is the secret force that turns a simple question into a powerful magnet that draws reality toward your vision. Because when the mind is clear, directed, and emotionally charged, it bypasses doubt and hesitation and communicates directly with the part of you that creates results effortlessly. And every thought you hold carries energy, but intention gives it direction, precision, and purpose. So when you ask a question before sleep with full awareness of what you want, combined with vivid emotion and belief, you're giving your subconscious an exact blueprint to follow, and the mind naturally begins to scan experiences, memories, and possibilities for the pieces that match the pattern you have defined, aligning circumstances that once seemed random into a sequence that serves the answer to your question. And this is why vague wishes rarely manifest, because the subconscious cannot organize what is unclear. It cannot act decisively without a clear signal. But a focused question creates clarity, certainty, and momentum, as if you have sent a signal into the invisible currents of life that cannot be ignored, and the emotional intensity you attach to the question acts as an amplifier, increasing the frequency of alignment between your inner world and the external world. And while your conscious mind drifts into sleep, your subconscious takes over, effortlessly connecting dots, making associations, and opening doors that the waking mind could never orchestrate. And when intention is repeated night after night, it becomes a programming pattern, a rhythm that your mind recognizes and follows without resistance, reinforcing pathways that lead to results. And the more precise your intention, the more subtle and immediate the feedback from the world, because the universe responds not to idle thoughts, but to deliberate, directed, and emotionally charged commands that come from a mind fully focused, fully believing, and fully aligned. And this is why focused intention before sleep is more than just a tool for success. It is the mechanism by which you begin to bend reality, shape your circumstances, and attract the people, situations, and opportunities that serve your highest good. And as the mind repeats the question with focus, visualization, and faith, it trains itself to notice the invisible signals of alignment, to act decisively when opportunity appears, and to integrate the guidance of the subconscious into the conscious steps you take during the day, creating a seamless flow between thought, belief, action, and manifestation. And the clarity, intensity, and consistency of your intention is the key that unlocks the hidden pathways of reality, allowing the question you ask to begin transforming every aspect of your life. Visualization during the transition to sleep is one of the most powerful tools you possess, because as the conscious mind fades and the subconscious becomes dominant, every image, every detail, every feeling you hold in your mind is received as reality, and the mind does not distinguish between what is imagined vividly and what is experienced physically. So when you see, feel, and believe the answer to your question as if it has already happened, your subconscious begins to organize circumstances to match that mental picture. And this process is not wishful thinking, but an active form of creation, because the energy of imagination is the raw material from which reality is formed. And as you lay down to rest, your body relaxes, your breathing slows, and your awareness drifts into the space between wakefulness and sleep, creating the perfect environment for the mind to absorb the images you provide. And the more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the more your subconscious perceives it as a living, unfolding truth, shaping not only your thoughts, but your perceptions, your decisions, and the subtle ways you move through the world in response to opportunities. And the subconscious begins to scan every interaction, every circumstance, and every memory for alignment with the image you have created, arranging events, people, and insights in ways that support the manifestation of your vision. And this is why the moments before sleep are sacred, because they are when your mind is most malleable, most receptive, and most capable of translating the language of imagination into the language of reality. And as you repeat this process night after night, your subconscious develops patterns, neural pathways, and intuitive responses that continuously bring you closer to the outcome you desire, allowing life to flow effortlessly in your favor. And the act of seeing, feeling, and believing in the outcome before sleep rewires the mind to recognize opportunities, take inspired action, and attract resources that once seemed unavailable. And even while you dream, the mind continues to work, adjusting, calibrating, and bringing into alignment the unseen forces that respond to clarity, emotion, and certainty. And when you awaken, you carry the subtle influence of this mental rehearsal into every thought, every decision, and every action you take, creating a seamless connection between your inner vision and the outer world. And the power of visualization before sleep is not merely a technique, it is the bridge between your imagination and reality, the conduit through which your desires begin to take shape, guiding your subconscious to manifest the answers to your questions and the life you are ready to receive. Reprogramming limiting beliefs during sleep is a process that transforms the way you perceive yourself and the world around you, because while your conscious mind rests, your subconscious is fully awake and receptive to the suggestions, questions, and images you provide, and it does not judge, it does not resist, it simply accepts the programming you offer and begins to integrate it into your automatic thought patterns, behaviors, and perceptions. And this is why the questions you ask before sleep are so powerful, because they bypass the barriers of conscious doubt and directly influence the part of you that determines results effortlessly. And as you pose a question with clarity and emotion, your subconscious begins to examine every limiting belief that stands in the way of the answer, gently dissolving doubts, fears, and uncertainties, replacing them with certainty, confidence, and a deep sense of alignment with your desired outcome. And the more consistently you engage in this practice, the more your subconscious rewires itself to expect, accept, and act upon the reality you're intentionally creating. And this is not a superficial change. It is a deep neurological and energetic adjustment that influences how you perceive opportunities, how you respond to challenges, and how easily you recognize solutions that serve your intentions. And when limiting beliefs are replaced with empowering ones, the mind begins to operate with fluidity and grace, seeing paths and possibilities that were previously hidden. And the act of asking a focused, emotionally charged question before sleep trains your subconscious to interpret the world in alignment with your desires, so that instead of encountering obstacles, you encounter guidance. Instead of doubt, you feel certainty, and instead of fear, you feel courage and clarity, and the mind begins to attract experiences, people, and circumstances that naturally resonate with this new programming, allowing life to respond in ways that feel effortless yet profoundly orchestrated. And over time, the subconscious begins to anticipate your intentions, to act on your behalf, even when you are not consciously aware, creating synchronicities, coincidences, and opportunities that seem almost magical. And as you rest, the process continues uninterrupted, silently reshaping the patterns of thought that govern your behavior, dissolving the limitations that once held you back, and instilling in you the understanding that your mind is not a passive observer, but an active creator. And by consistently reprogramming limiting beliefs through focused questioning, visualization, and belief before sleep, you align your subconscious with your highest intentions, allowing it to construct a reality that reflects the life you are capable of living. Reality responds to persistent inquiry because the subconscious mind is a powerful force that continually seeks patterns, aligns energy, and orchestrates circumstances in response to the signals you send. And when you ask the same question night after night with clarity, emotion, and belief, you are creating a continuous directive that your mind cannot ignore. And this repetition builds momentum, reinforcing neural pathways, strengthening focus, and embedding the desired outcome deeply into your subconscious, so that it begins to scan every moment of your waking life for opportunities, resources, and guidance that serve the question you have planted. And each day, Subtle shifts begin to occur as your perception changes, as your awareness heightens, and as coincidences and synchronicities start appearing in ways that feel natural yet undeniable. And the subconscious does not operate on effort, struggle, or force. It operates on alignment, clarity, and consistency, and persistent inquiry provides all three, allowing the mind to integrate the intention into every thought, decision, and action you take so that your life begins to reflect the energy of the question you ask. And as this process continues, the subconscious starts to act almost autonomously, guiding you toward people, situations, and insights that serve your vision. And the universe responds not because of magic or luck, but because your mind has been trained to recognize the opportunities that were always present but previously unnoticed. And every repetition of the question strengthens this alignment, creating a rhythm between your inner focus and the outer world, between intention and manifestation, between thought and reality. And persistence is the key because a single question asked once may create sparks of insight, but continuous, deliberate inquiry turns those sparks into a steady flame that illuminates your path and draws your desires toward you effortlessly. And the energy of persistence communicates to the subconscious that this outcome is not temporary, not optional, but certain, and certainty is the foundation upon which the mind constructs reality. And as your subconscious continues to work while you sleep, while you move through your day, and while you interact with the world, it consistently bends reality to align with the repeated directive, removing obstacles, highlighting opportunities, and subtly influencing events, people, and circumstances to conform to the pattern you have established. And when the question is persistent, focused, and emotionally charged, the universe mirrors back to you an endless stream of confirmations, solutions, and manifestations, allowing the life you imagined, the life you desired, and the life you believed in to emerge with clarity, alignment, and effortless precision.